Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate home page in LWC component. So first, I will create a LWC component named as navigation page LWC that is created in the previous lesson. Then we will create a button. On button click, it will navigate to home page in Salesforce. Here we will be using navigation mixing service library to navigate home page in LWC. So friends, in this lesson, we will be navigate to the home page after click a button. So now let's jump to my VS Codes where we will be see live demo example how to navigate home page on click button in LWC component. So let's get started. So friends, in the previous lesson, we have created navigation page LWC. In this lesson, we will be using same LWC component. So in the previous lesson, we have learned about how to navigate to account and how to navigate to list view of account. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate after click button on the home page. So once click on the button, it will be navigate to the automatically on the home page. So now first create a button and we will be create a function that is a click on button. So first let me copy this lightning card and paste below the lightning card. This is the title, so I will be change the title, navigate to home page. And this is a table, I created table in the previous lesson. I will using same table. And this is a TR for the first button, this is a TR for the second button. So here I will be remove one TR button. And here I will be change the title navigation to home page. And this is a lightning button. So in the lightning button, this is a variant brand label navigate to home. This is a label name. And this is a on click function. On click function, I will change action to navigate home. Action to navigate home. This is a button. And this is a on click event function. So now save the file and copy the function. Now go to the JavaScript file. Now I am creating action to navigation home page. Now I am going to the JavaScript file where I will create a action to navigation home function. Copy the name of the function. Go to the JavaScript. This is a function that is created in the previous lesson. I will create another one function for the navigate to the home. So here I am commenting navigation for home page, navigation for home page. So first I am creating a function. Function name is a action to navigate home. Then each syntax will be same. So copy the syntax from here. Some attributes will be changed, but basic structure are same. And here I will be use in the function of the navigation mixin dot navigate type instead of the standard object, I will be change named page. Named page because here I am navigation to the home page, not a object record. Attributes, this is attribute that same, but I remove the action name and instead of the object API name, here I will change page name. Page name and instead of the account, I will be use home because here I am navigate to the home page after click the button. So I create a function. Function name is a action to navigate home. Then use this in the square bracket navigation mixing dot navigate. Create a function. In the function I use type. Type is a standard double underscore named page. Then I use attributes, yeah, page name, colon, home. Because here I am navigating to home page after click a button. Now save the page, saving the both page. Now I am going to deploy the source code to the Salesforce. This is the option, deploy the source code to auth. The file has been deployed successfully on the Salesforce. Now go to the browser, refresh the page. In this lesson, I am going to learn about navigate to home page. So here I created another one lightning card. This is a recently created button, navigate to home page. When I click on the button, this page automatically navigate to the home page here. So now let's click here. You can see after click the button, it is automatically navigate to the home page. I click once again. When I click on the button, it is automatically navigate to the home page. So in this lesson, I created another one lightning card. In the lightning card, I created a table tr plus td. I am using the navigation to home page. In the second td, I am creating a button. On the button, I am passing a function. In the function, the action to navigation home. This function I am creating a JavaScript. And here are the some changes. Changes here. I change the type equal to a standard named page instead of the object. And after in the attribute section, I using page name equal to home. And in the attribute section, I using page name colon home because here I am navigating to the home page. Then save, reply the page, and it will be working fine. Once I click on the button navigate to home, it will be automatically navigate to the home page. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.